Good morning, everyone. A.S.S. Science Foundation once again welcome you all. So today we have a very special story of one of our achiever, KAVYA PARASHAR. So she was in the first semester of the M.SC Environmental Sciences, and she was a part of our live online program while pursuing her M.SC. So she was preparing hard for all the entrances, and in that series she was applying for NIFTEM, which is National Institute of Food Technology and Entrepreneurship and Management, SONEPAT, Haryana, which is one of the good institute for research under the Ministry of Food and Agriculture, where she gave the entrance and interview, and she secured rank 1 at NIFTEM PhD program under the Department of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences. So one special thing about KAVYA that she was pursuing her master's from Kurukshetra University, and she was in her third semester when she started preparing, and within 4 months she achieved this remarkable feat. So on this occasion, we would like to congratulate KAVYA PARASHAR and all the other faculty members of A.S.S. who have worked hard for the classes, as well as the interview team and research proposal team. At present, we are offering the offline program for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences at our Delhi Center, along with GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and Ecology Evolution. All other M.SC entrance preparation have been also started. These programs are also available in the online mode, live online mode, where the classes are in the evening, so it will not interfere with your master's or job or something like that. So those who are willing to join, they are most welcome, and they can reach us on the given numbers or web page. Once again, we would like to congratulate KAVYA PARASHAR, who is our student from Kurukshetra University and secured rank 1 at NIFTEM for final PhD selection under the Department of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences. Thank you very much.